Think you know zippers? Well, I bet you didn't know what I'm about to reveal. I know a lot of sewing secrets, and today I am unzipping the mystery of zippers. Take a look at these zippers. One might look familiar, but they're not the same. The first one is your standard zipper, the kind you have probably seen 100 times. But the second one, now that's where the secret lies. It's different, it's special. They are called silk invisible zippers. They are thin, very flexible, and almost transparent. They are not made of real silk, of course, but they are as smooth and light as silk. A regular zipper might do the job for a simple pouch or a casual jacket, but when it comes to dresses and skirts, you will want something more refined, like this silk invisible zipper with lace tape. Think about the seams where zippers usually go. They are not straight. The seams curve like the natural shape of the body. The patterns are designed to follow our unique silhouettes. A regular zipper on a curved seam can cause all sorts of trouble, bunching, puckering, and even discomfort. That's why the type of zipper you choose is important. That's why I like to use a silk invisible zipper. You won't find these zippers at Joann, Hobby Lobby or Walmart. I got mine online from Amazon. I have links on where to buy them on my website. Just follow this link you see on your screen or check the description of the video below. So in this video I will show you exactly how to insert this into your sewing project, step by step. So now another secret, wonder tape. That's what I use for any zipper installation. It's a double-sided, semi-transparent tape that temporarily holds fabrics together. It keeps the zipper in place without pins, without basting, no shifting, so you can sew close to the teeth confidently. But not all double-sided tapes are created equal. Only use wonder tape because it won't leave any residue or gum up your needle, and it dissolves in water. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of how to install a zipper, just to give you an idea of the process from start to finish. For the full step-by-step instructions, head over to my detailed tutorial on my website. The link is right here and in the video description below. Finish the raw edges of your fabric. I usually do it by serger. Cut a piece of wonder tape to the length of your zipper and apply it right along one seam edge. Press it down firmly so there are no wrinkles or folds. You may come across different methods of using wonder tape when installing zippers. Some prefer to apply wonder tape directly onto the zipper tape before positioning it onto the fabric. I prefer to place the wonder tape onto the fabric first. Start at the top and press it down firmly onto the fabric as you go. Any unevenness in the fabric can lead to puckering, so make sure the fabric lays flat on the table. Peel the paper backing off the wonder tape to expose the adhesive. Make sure that the tape remains intact on the fabric. Don't open the zipper. Identify which side of the zipper tape should be attached to the wonder tape. When the garment is worn, the zipper teeth will be facing toward the body. Carefully align the edge of the zipper tape with the seam allowance where the wonder tape has been applied. The top of the zipper should be in line with the top edge of the garment. Gently press the zipper tape onto the wonder tape. Start from the top and work your way down to the bottom. The adhesive will hold the zipper in place firmly and you don't need pins. Make sure that the zipper teeth do not get stuck to the tape. The wanded tape allows for repositioning if you need to adjust the zipper. Now it's time to sew the first part of the zipper into place. Open the zipper and place the fabric under the presser foot. I use an invisible zipper foot. If you do not have an invisible zipper foot, a regular zipper foot can also be used, but you will need to adjust the needle position so that it stitches as close to the zipper teeth as possible without actually sewing over them. The invisible zipper foot is designed to allow your sewing machine to stitch close to the zipper teeth. This helps to create that invisible appearance once the zipper is closed. The wanded tape will keep the zipper in place as you sew, but still be cautious and sew slowly. Now we need to attach the second part of the zipper to the other side of the dress. Begin by closing the zipper. Apply wanded tape to the opposite seam edge. With the zipper closed, position the unsewn zipper tape onto the exposed wanded tape. Start at the top of the garment. For dresses, this usually means starting at the neckline. The top of the zipper should line up with the top edge of the fabric. Press the zipper tape onto the wanded tape and make sure that it adheres well without any twists or wrinkles. This will hold the zipper steady for the next step. Carefully reopen the zipper. Make sure to handle the fabric gently to avoid detaching the zipper from the wanded tape. Position the fabric under the presser foot, sew along the length of the zipper tape. The wanded tape will keep the zipper in place. I usually remove the wanded tape. The tape will peel away easily from the fabric without leaving any residue. Completing the zipper installation often includes sewing the seam below the zipper. This can be done either before or after inserting the zipper. I usually sew the seam beforehand, but this time I followed the method recommended by Border Style magazine. It involves sewing the seam after the zipper has been inserted. Give your garment the final touches by pressing the seams. Here I am wearing the finished dress. What other aspects of making this dress would you like to explore further? Are you interested in learning how to sew sleeves? Maybe you are curious about finishing edges to give your garments a professional finish. Or perhaps you are looking to master how to hem your dresses. And of course, there is the art of sewing facing to provide structure and a clean finish to necklines. Please let me know in the comments what you are most interested in, or if there are any other dressmaking techniques you are eager to learn about. Thank you for following along on this sewing adventure.